If you're a creator, you've probably been looking for all sorts of editing software. You may have come across Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, or even CapCut. But is it possible to edit or rather generate videos using Python? The answer is a bit complicated. You probably associate Reddit videos with gameplay in the background. This is quite boring and overrated content, but there is a great, innovative project behind it. The popularity of this format did not come out of nowhere, because it is very easy to create, and all thanks to Coding with Lewis, who almost a year ago created a program that generates short videos from Reddit discussions. The whole thing was created in Python using Reddit API and MoviePy, and is a perfect example of film editing using a programming language. However, you can't call it editing videos, but generating them, which is about a level up for technology and creators. Therefore comes the next question: can random man with an average knowledge of programming, yes, it's about me, create something similar? Well, the answer is yes. A few months ago I made a simple videos generator with subtitles and music using Python, MoviePy, and Common Sense. The program works as follows. We enter our title and sentences that are to be subtitles, generate the code and build the program that will create the final video for us. Plus, a fade out at the end and a pop-up sound at the beginning. It looks rather humble and could be done better, but proves that Python can also be used as a video editor.